Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about Git remote repository. As you know that Git is distributed version control system. Here we have facility to store data on a local system by creating local repository that we have already created in the previous video. You can also use remote repository in which you are going to store data on a centralized location. It is really very good if you have multiple people working on the same project. Okay, they can access repository and source code from the centralized location. It is also acts like a backup. Let's say that if you lost your laptop or a data from your laptop, in this case you can get all the data from your remote repository. Now, there are many services available for the remote repository. Let's say that in AWS we have code commit. Okay, it is AWS service. It acts as a remote repository. Then we have Azure repos. We have also GitHub. Right now we are not going to discuss about any cloud service provider. We are going to perform standard practices. So we will use GitHub as a remote repository. Now, if you want to create remote repo into the Git.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atara. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you. You can enjoy.
You have to have account in the GitHub, which is free. So what we are doing right now, we are going to create GitHub account. Okay. So I'm going to my browser. One email ID is required, so I have my email ID open. This is my email ID that I'm going to use to create account because I have many GitHub account and all this. Okay, so I'm going to use incognito tab and I'm going to type GitHub here. Okay, now when you will open this page, okay, here you will get sign up option. Here I'm going to click on sign up. Now, the first thing first is I have to enter my email ID. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and pasting my email ID here. Continue. Now, password. I'm going to enter password. Okay, you have to add strong password. Do not use dictionary word. Now here I have to enter my username. I'm going to enter CloudFox Hub. Okay, if it is available. CloudFox Hub is unavailable. Okay, let's say that CloudFox Hub 123. So now it is available. This will be my username. Continue. I don't want to receive any email, so I'm going to click on continue. Now here it is like a verification step we have. Okay, so we have to solve some puzzle. Let's do this. Okay, so here we have to indicate this card into the same as the hand. Okay, I think it is like this. Yeah. Okay, let's click on submit. Then let's click on create account. Okay, now I will get code. Let me go to my email. Okay, I got this code and here it is Control C and here I am going to paste this. Okay, how many team members? I'm going to say just me right now. Okay, and here are you a student or teacher? I can say the teacher. Okay, let's select this. And here I'm going to select like 2 to 5. No need to worry, we can change it as well. okay, but select whatever I am selecting. If you want to select student, you can do this, okay. Let's click on continue. I don't want to access any of these things. Continue. Okay, I want to go with the free plan. Here we have 2000 CI/CD minutes per month, 500 MB package storage. Okay, we will discuss about all this right now. I'm going to click on continue for free. And right now my account is ready. So once you have your GitHub account, okay, here it will allow you to create repository, okay, repo. See here it is asking me that a repository contain all the project files. So this is like my new project. I have my local repo. I am going to create a remote repo right now, okay. Now here we have two kind of repos. One is public. Anyone can on the internet can see this repository. You can choose who see and commit this repository, okay. So here it is a secure environment, but right now we are going with the public, okay. Here I want to provide name, okay, my new project or whatever the name that you want to provide, okay. I'm going to click on create new repository. So done. My repository is now okay, ready, okay. Right now I can access this repository from anywhere because it is a public and this is URL of my repository. So we have public repository, we have private repository, and we want to synchronize that, right? So we want to synchronize our public and private repository with each other. I have local repository that we have created in the previous video. Right now I have public repository as well. We will merge them, but step by step. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.